Are you guys ready? I have such a treat to show you. In this video, I am going to show you our virtual staging job for our client. Now, the first photo that you're going to see is an empty house. Beautiful house, $1,000,000, but it's empty. And I have a 100% sale rate, and I plan on keeping it that way. Now, the reason that our last property sold in 1 week was because probably it had a lot to do, aside from our marketing and efforts and all that, we staged it. The client walked in, or the buyer walked in, and game over. Now, this house is so big, in order to stage it, it would be multiple thousands of dollars. So I'm going to show you the first photo right here and our virtual staging job. And this is a house that was previously tried to be sold before, but they didn't come to me, the 100% sale rate guy. So this is how we are getting started. This is the house, not staged, okay? Now, this is what it looked like, just this room, and I'm going to show you all the other rooms, which I have next, with it virtually staged. Now, tell me what such a good job they did here. Look, even if you look behind the TV, there is a shadow on the wall. None of this is real. This is all virtual. And it's on our bill. You don't pay for this. We pay for this. So we only sell houses that we know that we can sell and are going to sell, because we put money into selling it. Original, staged. All right, now we got all the photos back. Okay, you guys ready to see all the photos? And now just know that the rooms were empty like this. And then we got it staged. Here we go. There's our first. Second. Third. Woo! Fourth. Virtual house. No, but we obviously, you could see the patio furniture all in the back. You could see the contrast that they put into the pictures to make the house really bump. Fifth. Gosh, look at that. How awesome would it be to live there? Look at that outdoor patio outside that bedroom. Sixth. This is going to stand out from all the other houses that aren't going to sell in that same neighborhood. And by the way, the last one we sold, there were 3 other properties on sale. They're still on the market. We sold ours within the first week at market price. So there it is, guys. Let's go through them one more time. Real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Professional photographer supplied by us, professional virtual supplied by us, 2 different companies sync together, synergize together for the market team, and that is our team. Talk to you soon, I presume. I don't know, one more I can give you guys to let you know that I'm your agent. I'm not the guy who does the 4 Ps. The traditional agent, 95% of agents out there that put a lockbox on your front door, put a sign on your yard, put it on the MLS, and pray. This is Charles Frank. I'm out.